Welcome to Asia Bright instruction videos, demonstration video on our latest product JPR-9000 series. This is a typical truck 24 volt system, and we're going to demonstrate this vehicle at a dead battery situation and using our 9000 series to jumpstart this vehicle. Let's give it a shot and see how we can demonstrate whether this disabled truck can be restarted using our jump start. Let's hook up the battery with a jump start, and we assume that it's going to be hooked up in a red and a negative terminal. Now let's hit the power button and hit the jump start. Okay. Perfect. Now we have a start using our 24 volt. Now to safely disable, we turn off the power and disengage. Perfect. See, our latest product can save your day if you have a dead battery. Thank you for watching.